my name's Kay and welcome to Kelowna Chevrolet. Today we'll be looking at this 2013 Volkswagen Jetta Sedan in Reflex Silver. Let's take a look. Under the hood you'll find a 2-liter engine powering your automatic transmission. It is a turbocharged diesel as well. On the front of the vehicle you have your automatic headlights, daytime running lights, fog lights, and of course your Volkswagen badge. Still plenty of tread remaining on these 16-inch alloy wheels. Wrapping around to the side of the vehicle here, you do have a nice chrome window trim. It goes very well with that reflex silver metallic paint. Helping us inside the Volkswagen today is your handy key fob, so you have lock, trunk release, and unlock, along with your handy key. So let's unlock her and head on in. On the inside of the door we have a nice storage pocket, along with that trunk release button, your power windows, power mirror, power lock and unlock. Just to the right you have your lighting. Just down here you have your manual adjustable seating. Nice cloth interior throughout. So just to start her up we'll use the key from the key fob. We are currently sitting at 94,839 kilometers, so still plenty of life left in this girl, but make sure to speak to one of our finance managers about any extended warranty you wish to purchase, just to make sure you are fully protected. Just moving over to the center stack here, this car does come with FM, AM radio, along with auxiliary, media, and menu. It also does have a nice CD player right there for you. Just down a bit here we do have your climate control. Now the front seats are heated, which is awesome for the winter. Everybody loves a toasty bottom. Your aux 12-volt charger, your shifter, 2 cup holders, and of course some storage. Alright y'all, now that we've had some time to look at the front of the vehicle, let's take a look at the back. Just coming into the back here you do have another storage compartment along with those power windows. Do have extra cup holders because you can never have enough cup holders. Just wrapping around to the rear of the Volkswagen here, so just to open that trunk up we're going to use our key fob, so we'll just push and hold and she'll unlock for you. Tons of space in the back here. Also these back seats do fold down for some extra space. There you have it. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this walk around video of this 2013 Volkswagen Jetta Sedan in Reflex Silver Metallic. If you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to give us a call or pop in. We are located on Highway 97 North at Kelowna Chevrolet.